Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights on personal finance and money management. Today, we are excited to present to you some unbelievable ways to boost your savings fast. In this video, we will provide you with quick and actionable financial advice that can help you increase your savings in no time. The purpose of this video is to equip you with practical strategies that will enable you to save more money efficiently. We understand the importance of having a solid financial foundation, and that's why we are here to guide you through some innovative methods to boost your savings rapidly. By learning these strategies, you will not only be able to save more money, but also achieve your financial goals faster. Imagine having extra funds for that dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building a safety net for unexpected expenses. These strategies will empower you to take control of your finances and secure a better future for yourself. Now, you might be wondering what these unbelievable ways are that we are going to reveal. Well, let's just say that they are not your typical money-saving tips. We have curated a list of unconventional yet highly effective methods that will surprise you with their simplicity and impact. So get ready to be amazed as we unveil these incredible strategies that will revolutionize the way you approach saving money. Stay tuned to discover how you can supercharge your savings and achieve financial success faster than you ever thought possible. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your financial situation and take a significant step towards a more secure and prosperous future. Join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of boosting your savings in ways that you never imagined. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered to make positive changes in your financial life. Step 1. Automate your savings. One of the most powerful tools in your savings arsenal is automation. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you can supercharge your savings and accelerate your progress towards your financial goals. The benefits of automating your savings are numerous. First and foremost, it takes the guesswork out of saving. Instead of relying on your willpower to manually transfer money into your savings account each month, automation ensures that a portion of your income is set aside consistently without any effort on your part. This not only simplifies the saving process, but also helps you stay on track with your financial objectives. Moreover, automation eliminates the temptation to spend the money that you intended to save. By transferring funds automatically, you reduce the likelihood of dipping into your savings for unnecessary expenses. This disciplined approach to saving can make a significant difference in the long run and help you build a substantial nest egg over time. Consistency is key when it comes to saving money, and automation ensures that you save regularly without the need for manual intervention. Whether you set up weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly transfers, automation guarantees that you are consistently putting money aside towards your financial goals. This steady accumulation of savings can add up quickly and provide you with a sense of financial security and stability. When it comes to selecting the right amount to automate for optimal results, it's essential to strike a balance between saving enough to make a meaningful impact and ensuring that you can still cover your expenses comfortably. Start by evaluating your budget and identifying a realistic amount that you can afford to save each pay period. Aim to automate a percentage of your income or a fixed amount that aligns with your savings goals. Remember, the key is to find a balance that allows you to save consistently without putting undue strain on your finances. As your income grows or your expenses decrease, you can always adjust the automated transfers to reflect these changes and continue to make progress towards your savings targets. By harnessing the power of automation, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. One of the most effective ways to boost your savings quickly is by cutting unnecessary expenses. By identifying areas where you tend to overspend and making conscious efforts to reduce these expenses, you can free up more funds to put towards your savings goals. Let's explore how trimming the fat from your budget can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Common areas where individuals often overspend include dining out, subscription services, impulse purchases, and luxury items. By taking a closer look at your spending habits, you can pinpoint these areas and find ways to cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. For example, you could opt for home-cooked meals instead of eating out, cancel unused subscriptions, resist the urge to make impulse buys, and prioritize essential purchases over luxury items. Creating a budget is a crucial step in managing your expenses and maximizing your savings potential. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going each month. Once you have a better understanding of your financial habits, set realistic spending limits for different categories and allocate a portion of your income towards savings. By sticking to your budget and monitoring your progress regularly, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards your savings account. Sticking to a budget may require discipline and self-control, but the long-term benefits of cutting back on non-essential purchases are well worth the effort. Not only will you be able to boost your savings quickly, but you will also develop healthier financial habits that can lead to long-term financial stability. By prioritizing your financial goals and making conscious choices about how you spend your money, you can build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. In addition to increasing your savings, cutting unnecessary expenses can also provide you with a sense of financial freedom and peace of mind. Knowing that you are in control of your finances and making intentional decisions about where your money goes can reduce stress and anxiety related to money management. By taking proactive steps to trim unnecessary expenses, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future and achieve your savings goals faster than you ever thought possible. Step 3. Invest wisely for growth. When it comes to growing your savings rapidly, smart investing plays a crucial role in helping you achieve your financial goals. By understanding the fundamentals of investing and making informed decisions about where to put your money, you can harness the power of compound interest and potentially see significant growth in your savings over time. Let's delve into the world of investing and explore how it can accelerate your path to financial success. Saving and investing are often used interchangeably, but they serve different purposes in your financial journey. Saving involves setting aside money in a safe and easily accessible account, such as a savings account, with the primary goal of preserving capital. On the other hand, investing entails putting your money into assets that have the potential to generate returns over the long term, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. While saving is essential for short-term goals and emergencies, investing offers the opportunity for your money to grow and outpace inflation, leading to wealth accumulation. When it comes to investing, there are various options available to suit different risk appetites and investment objectives. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for high returns, but come with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt securities issued by governments or corporations and provide a more stable income stream with lower risk. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets, offering a convenient way to access a range of investment opportunities. Diversification is a key principle in investing that can help mitigate risks and maximize growth potential. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you can reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your portfolio. Diversifying your investments can also help you capture opportunities for growth in various sectors while minimizing the impact of potential losses in any single investment. As you embark on your investing journey, it's essential to educate yourself on the different investment options available, assess your risk tolerance and investment goals, and seek professional advice if needed. By investing wisely, diversifying your portfolio, and staying committed to your long-term financial objectives, you can set yourself up for success and accelerate the growth of your savings in a meaningful way. By incorporating the strategies of automation, cutting unnecessary expenses, and wise investing into your financial plan, you can take significant steps towards building a more secure and prosperous future. Automation is a powerful tool that simplifies the saving process and ensures consistent contributions to your savings account without the need for manual intervention. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you can establish a disciplined savings routine and watch your savings grow effortlessly over time. Cutting unnecessary expenses is another effective way to free up more funds for saving and investing. By identifying areas where you tend to overspend and making conscious efforts to reduce these expenses, you can redirect those funds towards your financial goals and achieve faster progress towards building wealth. Wise investing offers the potential for your money to grow and generate returns over the long term. By diversifying your investments across different asset classes and sectors, You can mitigate risks and maximize growth potential, setting the stage for long-term financial success. Now is the time to take action and implement these strategies into your financial plan. Start by automating your savings, cutting back on non-essential expenses, and exploring investment opportunities that align with your goals and risk tolerance. By making proactive choices about how you manage your money, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future and achieve your savings goals faster than you ever thought possible. We encourage you to take the first step towards financial empowerment by implementing these strategies today. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. Together, we can empower more individuals to take control of their finances and build a more secure future. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success.